Hey, it's Tony talking car biz. In this video I want to show you the Tacoma Sonar Parking Assist. So Sonar Parking Assist is a standard on the limited edition and optional on the the TRD Off-Road and TRD Pro. And I wanted to show you the difference on the back of the vehicle in terms of visually what's different. So the Limited does have the Sonar parking, and you'll notice right away on the back we've got these little black dots. There's 4 of them across the back of the Limited, so that's a dead giveaway. The other thing is the bumper on the Limited is colored to match, meaning it's white colored to match the vehicle. In order to have Sonar Parking Assist on a TRD edition, they would switch out these chrome end caps with red end caps. So color to match end caps are part of the Sonar package requirement. The two. Let's go ahead and jump inside and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so let's go ahead and check it out, how it works up front. So down here on the lower dashboard, there's a number of dials and switches. The ones we're going to focus on today, we've got blind spot monitoring. And here's our Sonar parking. So we're going to turn both of those on, and you've got that light to indicate that they are turned on. And the idea is, as I begin to back the vehicle up, it's going to give me an indicator right here in the information center. Also on the center stack, it'll give me an indicator of when I'm too close to something. So I'm just going to go ahead and back up slowly until we get our first audible visual warning. Okay, so that's demonstrating with a yellow bar and a slower beep that I'm getting close to an object, and it's giving me a caution. It did not automatically brake me. I braked myself. So there it is there on the 360 camera, and also up here. Okay, as I begin to back up a little bit further, it should go ahead and begin to beep louder at some point. And you can see now it's picking up that I'm close to this object on this side too. Same thing over on my display. And then I'll go ahead and back up a little bit further and it will turn red when I get too close. Notice it's only red in the middle and it's a constant beep. If I keep backing up, the others will begin to turn red as I get closer and closer. So you can see that on the lower right hand side. So now I'm there, but it is not automatically braking the vehicle. It's just giving me a warning that I'm too close. And again, the switch is down here, so I can go ahead and turn it off. If I'd like to have it off, I can have it off. And blind spot monitoring as well. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know, and I will do my best to answer them. This is Tony talking car biz. Thanks for watching.